Hi, I'm Dean Weintraub, Development Manager for Lacey Group, and I'm here to provide you this month's developer report for our incredible project, the Delray. Let's dive into the latest updates, shall we? Our principal contractor continues to make impressive progress. The entire construction team is working tirelessly towards a practical completion, and the results are nothing short of remarkable. Here's what's been happening. Basement works are 90% complete, and I'm thrilled to announce that the installation of 2 building lifts will commence next Monday. The tower structure works are 80% complete, with level 13 scheduled for late August pour. It's all coming together. Facade works are now 60% complete, and finishing trades are 10% complete, with level 3 joinery and tiles installed, level 4 underway, and the timber flooring on level 3 units starting next week. Looking ahead, our next major milestone is the building top out. We're excited to share that we are on track to achieve this significant accomplishment by late September, early October 2023. Overall, it's been a positive month for the construction team, but due to a couple of construction challenges, the anticipated building completion date had pushed out to February 2024. But as they say, good things take time, and the Delray is worth the wait. Thank you for joining me on this construction journey. Stay tuned for more updates.